Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Soaps by Chimmy. In today's video, I'll be showing you a simple and natural way to neutralize the strong smell of tallow using orange peel. This method is very affordable, effective and perfect for soap makers who want their tallow to smell cleaner and fresher before production. First of all, what is tallow? Tallow is animal fat. Yes, have you seen animal fat before? When you're eating meat, all these torso, you see this beef. The fat, yes, that is tallow fat. Tallow is animal fat, usually from beef, and it is commonly used in soap making because it produces quality soaps. However, one common problem many soap makers face is the strong smell. To tell the truth, tallow smell is not pleasant at all. Tallow has this strong smell. Sometimes what I do before neutralizing the smell is that I measure the quantity of tallow that I want for the particular production. Okay, but if you have a bigger bowl, you can just do everything at once. Get enough orange peel for the production. Okay, so if you're wondering how will you get this orange peel, you go to the market, or if you have people that sells oranges around maybe your street or close to you, you can go and meet them. They should help you with the peel, because some of these people, I don't think if they use the peel for anything, or maybe you can just go and beg them to help you with some. Okay, in a polite way, please, because it's their business. Some people will even ask you, what do you want to use it for? So you just explain to them in a polite way to let them understand what you want to use it for. Okay, so you can go to the market as well. From a market woman that sells oranges, you can get it from them, or Malam that sells oranges as well. So how does this orange peel help our tallow? You know, orange peel contains natural citrus oils that help absorb and reduce unpleasant odors, like that of unpleasant smell in the tallow. It also leaves the tallow with a fresher and cleaner scent. Yeah, just try it out. You will see these things I'm talking about. Just try it. And there are also things to note when you're processing your tallow with your orange peel. You should always use clean and properly rendered tallow. Do not burn the orange peels because it can affect the smell negatively. You can repeat the process if the smell is still strong. You know, there are some tallow that smell so bad, like the bad smell is so strong. So after adding your orange peel, cooling it, and it still have that strong smell, you repeat the process again, okay, to get rid of the strong smell. One thing I love about this method is that it is natural and it's cheap and easy for beginners. Tell me why you cannot do this on your own. Or you can even buy orange from the market. You get your oranges. If you don't want to meet anybody for the orange peel, you buy orange. 500 orange should be enough. You use the peel to your tallow, depending the quantity of tallow you want to neutralize. Yes, so you don't need expensive chemicals to reduce the smell. When you are heating your tallow, please do not overheat it. Just allow the tallow to melt and mix well with the orange peels, okay? So do you know that there are a lot of people that avoid tallow just because of the smell? Yes. Some people avoid using tallow in their soap making because of the smell. But I'm telling you that once you learn this simple trick, you will never waste your tallow again. Orange peel is not just a kitchen waste. It can actually help improve your soap making process. If you want your soaps to smell nice and more professional, then properly treating your tallow is very important. Small details like this can make a big difference in the quality of your final product and the smell of your soap. Natural methods are sometimes the best and safest ways to solve production problems. This method is beginner friendly. Anybody can do it. You can do it. And it's also affordable and perfect for small scale soap makers. One thing I love about soap making is that it turns simple ingredients into quality products. If your tallow smells too strong, it can affect the fragrance of your finished soap. So a well-processed tallow gives you better and more marketable soaps. You don't always need too expensive chemicals before you can get professional results. The thing is that consistency and proper processing are what separate average soap makers from professionals. So always remember, quality ingredients plus proper techniques equal what? Quality products. After melting your tallow and your orange peels, you sieve it. You sieve it to separate the peels from the tallow. This process is so nice. It's just like magic, and it also purifies the tallow. Actually, it purifies the tallow. It neutralizes the smell. Also purifies it, because you see how clean the tallow will be looking after this process. You have clear tallow, very neat. This little tip can help improve the overall scent and appeal of your soap. As a soap maker, learning small hacks like this can save you money and reduce waste. Soap making is not just about mixing ingredients, it's also about understanding how each process affects your final product. So if I may ask, have you ever worked with tallow before? Let me know in the comment section. Tell me your experience about tallow oil. So would you try this orange peel method? Also, let me know. Tell me your experience after trying it out. Tell me about the result. Tell me about the process. And also, there are other ways to purify and also neutralize tallow smells. There are other ways, but me, I prefer using this orange method because it really works for me. I like it. So if you enjoyed this video or you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and turn on your notification bell for more practical tips like this and helpful tips like this.